Hello and welcome to AP CSP Week 4 Overview. Again, first of all, complete anything that you have not completed for weeks 1 through 3. That also includes any resubmissions needed. So again, check Google Classroom to make sure if I've made a comment, how it's been graded and so forth. And again, we're going to kind of continue with the Create PT process here. The first thing of the week here is we're going to have you go to Code Studio and go through Lesson 1 to look at the samples of the various Create PTs that have been processed and evaluated. Gives you an idea. We did this with the Explorer test. Gives you an idea of kind of how to proceed. Then after that, I did divide up the 16-page survival guide for the Create PT. To make it a little bit more straightforward for you, I did send out the overview on the previous week's information here. And again, your project for Create PT does not have to change the world. It just has to show certain pieces in terms of algorithm, in terms of abstraction specifically, and then you need to document it properly. So I've divided up the survival guide with I think 3 or 4 partitions with some answer keys there because there are some responses there. Following that, there's some additional documents to kind of read through to give you the kind of final perspective before choosing your project for the Create PT. And then finally, the last thing of the week you'll have to do is kind of tell me what you're going to do after taking all this information. And again, share with me via Google Classroom. I have a classwork question to respond to. And as soon as you do that, then your 12 hours officially starts then. Remember, both PTs need to be submitted by midnight on the 26th. I know as seniors you're done the 8th, but this has to go on beyond that just because we would normally have gone closer to the 26th in terms of end of the year. I did reach out to Mr. McDonald to check on your laptops being in your possession until you have submitted your PTs through the portal, through AP Central. And again, our next overview, which will be just basically giving you work time, maybe a checklist will be posted on Tuesday. Hope you are well. You guys are doing a great job of staying engaged overall as a class. You guys have the highest percentage of participants kind of staying engaged and working on things. Keep it up. We're almost there. I'm doing well, and you can see my cat just jumped up behind me. Anyway, have a great week. Email me any questions or concerns on anything. Thank you. Bye.